What's up, guy? Olays here, and today I'm going to show you how you can learn how to trade stocks and option in just 1 week. So I'm going to short your learning curve. So basically, that's my goal for this video. So especially if you're just starting out and know nothing about like day trading and swing trading, so this video is basically going to sums everything up. So if you are interested, please stay tuned. And all right, so the first thing you need is a broker account. So what is broker account? So brokerage account is a platform that you use to make a trade. So either stocks or option. So if you want my recommendations on what broker account you should use, I would recommend the ones that I use, which is TD Ameritrade, or it's called Thinkorswim platform. So because there are advantages of TD Ameritrade because they have a paper trading with a real-time market. So if you like just starting out, so I recommend you to like just open account with TD Ameritrade, and then use their paper trading, because everything is real except except you using a paper, which is the fake money trade. So because you can learn a lot of things from paper trading without risking any of your money. So you're just starting out and you want to learn about how the market work. You want to test your strategy. You want to, because everything is kind of new which for you. So I recommend you to just open the account with the TD Ameritrade or other brokerage account out there that offer you a paper trading, and it's just just use their paper trading. So and also make sure you open a real one too, because after you comfortable with the like the trading, then you want to like have a real account. So the first thing you need is a brokerage account. So go out there and open ones. And also, if you're not if the TD Ameritrade is not perfect for you, then go find other platform that is perfect fit for your needs. Okay. So the first thing you need is broker account. All right, now after you have a broker account, now you need to know how to navigate them. So because if you know where to do your chart analysis, know where to look for your implied volatility, know where to look for your volume, like the stocks volumes, look for like the stuff that you need to make your decisions of, like to either to enter or exit the positions that you take on the stock market. So just know how to navigate your trading platform, because that will help you with the workflow. So after you open the account, a brokerage account, and know how to navigate them, now you need to learn the chart pattern. And here are the chart patterns that is basic chart patterns that you need to understand. And I recommend you to only trying to focus only 2 chart patterns and master them. So the one that I'm using is breakout and breakdown pattern. And that is kind of like a common patterns. So you don't need to understand every patterns, but you need to understand a few of them. So understand a few of them and use them over time and be comfortable with and understands how they work, and you be good to go. So, and after you understand the chart patterns, now you can add the indicator with the chart patterns and learn how to like combine the indicator, the market flow, everything, combine them together, implied volatility, combine them with the chart patterns that you master. So understand chart patterns is very important. Okay, so choose 1 or 2. Choose 1. 2 is maximum for you to understand. You don't need to understand the whole entire pattern, because you can't focus on like all of them and you can't master all of them. So you need to understand 1 or 2. Okay. Now the next thing you need is understandings. If you're trading stocks, then you basically buying for the price and hope that stock will increase in price and then sell for profits, right? So that is basic for stocks. But if you're trading options, then you need to understand what is option is. Okay, so I have a video. So I make a video on explaining what is option is going to be linked on the description. So you if you want more depth of what option is, then just go check out that video that I uploaded. It's going to help for you to understand what option is. So, but I'm going to sum up what I said on the video. So option is when you buy options, you own a contract instead of share. So because if you buy stocks, you own a share, right? But if you buy options, you own a contract, and every contract have the expiration date with it. But if you buy stocks, then you can hold it for however long you want. But if you buy option, there are expiration dates, and whenever the contract meet the expiration dates, then it become worthless. Okay, and also the price of contract depends on the premium price, which is premium price of the stocks. So if for example, one contract is equal to premiums multiplied by 100 share. So for example, if you want to buy Apple options for call, right? Apple option for call, and then if that call at the next week's is the expiration date. So on Friday next week's is expiration date, and then the premium price is, for example, on this one is let's say $1. The premium is $1, right? So $1 times 100 share, $1 times 100 share, that's equal to 100, right? So that is equal to $100. So $100 per contract. So for you to own that contract, so that's basically how much one contract is cost. And also the important that you need to know about option is that when you buy call options, you are hoping that the stocks would go up in price for you to make profits. But if you buy puts, then you hope for stocks to decrease in price to make profits. But if you selling is kind of a bit complicated. So but the main thing here is that if you sell call option, you hope for the price to decreasing to make profit. But if you are selling put option, you're hoping price to increasing for you to make profit. So that is basics things that you need to understand about option. So understand what option is, then will help you to learn much better on how to trade option. So basically, okay. So after learn how to trade options, is the risk management. So all right. So risk management is very important. So the way that I manage my risk is that as a trader manage risk is that we risk, for example, we risk $100 to gain $200. It's called we risk one and one and two, and 1 and 3. So what does that mean? So when you risk $100, you hope to gain $100 for 1 and 1. And if you risk 1 and 2 is that you risk $100 to gain $200. And 1 and 3 is to risk $100 to gain $300. So basically, that's how you manage your risk, because you have to be consistency on how much you're risking every time. Okay, so know how to manage your risk will help you to grow your account, not blow up your account. Because if you don't know how to manage your risk, you might end up like, for example, I don't know, like when it's first started, I don't know what risk management is. So it's I end up like losing $1,000. So on my first start, which is but at least I learned from it right now. So I'm sharing with you right now so you don't make that mistakes. Okay, so learn how to manage your risk, and that will help you to be success in stock market. All right, after you learn how to manage your risk, now it's about mindsets. Okay, so mindsets, stocks mindset, so trader mindset is very important. Okay, so you have to develop trader mindsets. For example, if you're afraid of money, you won't make money. So okay, so because sometimes when you're afraid to like losing money, okay, so that will create some like emotion, the fear, not make you to like take any like risk, take any actions. So you have to develop those those kind of mindsets in your mind or in yourself, then you'll be good to go. And also, I make a video on the 10 mindsets that every trader should have, or every trader is having. So just go check that out, and just get those like mindsets sink into yourself, and it will help you to not just like in trading career, but also in your life as well. So develop mindsets that will help you to be successful in stock markets. Okay. And all right, that is pretty much it. So I hope this is sum up everything that you need to learn. So I hope this video is kind of like go overviews of everything that you need to know, and also help you and help guide you to the right direction. So, and okay, so that's pretty much it. And if you find information helpful, make sure, like I said, subscribe and turn on notifications. Okay, because it's going to be because my goal is to help you. Okay, that's it. My goal is to help you. Okay, and that's pretty much it. So thank you so much for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye. Have a great day.